And we already know what is diffusion. Diffusion is a passive process by which molecules or ions move from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Diffusion is the natural tendency of particles to spread out and achieve a uniform distribution. In biological systems, diffusion is essential for the movement of molecules across cell membranes and the distribution of substances within cells and tissues. तो सेल के एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट में अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा है और सेल के अंदर कम है तो डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू जहाँ हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वहाँ से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जाएगी लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की तरफ ताकि दोनों जगह सेम बैलेंस हो जाए, CO2 सेम हो जाए. There is spontaneous movement of a substance from a region of high concentration to a region where its concentration is low. Something similar to this happens in cells. For example, when some substance like CO2 accumulates in high concentrations inside the cell, in the cell's external environment, the concentration of CO2 is low as compared to that inside the cell. So, as soon as there is a difference of concentration of CO2 inside and outside a cell, CO2 moves out of the cell from a region of higher concentration to a region of low concentration outside the cell by the process of diffusion. यानी चाहे सेल के बाहर CO2 कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लो हो चाहे सेल के अंदर CO2 कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लो हो, CO2 डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन वाले एरिया से लो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन वाले एरिया की तरफ जाती है. Similarly, O2 enters the cell by the process of diffusion. When the level or concentration of O2 inside the cell decreases, diffusion plays an important role in gaseous exchange as well as the cell and its external environment. तो डिफ्यूजन सिर्फ गैसेस में ही नहीं होता है, वाटर ऑल्सो ओबेज द लॉ ऑफ डिफ्यूजन. The movement of water molecules through such a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. यानी वाटर अगर डिफ्यूजन करता है तो उसका नाम बस हमने चेंज कर दिया, दैट इज ऑस्मोसिस. The movement of water across the plasma membrane is also affected by the amount of substance dissolved in water. Thus, osmosis is the net diffusion of water across a selectively permeable membrane toward a higher solute concentration. So, osmosis is a specific type of diffusion that refers to the movement of water molecules across a selectively permeable membrane. It is driven by the concentration gradient of solutes on either side of the membrane. In osmosis, water molecules move from an area of lower solute concentration to an area of higher solute concentration. और ये मूवमेंट तब तक होता जाता है जब तक कि दोनों साइड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इक्वल ना हो जाए. The goal is to equalize the solute concentrations on both sides of the membrane. So, cell membrane allows the passage of water molecules but restricts the passage of solute particles. So, osmosis is a crucial process in biological systems. It helps in maintaining the water balance and hydration of cells. तो इसी प्रोसेस को करके देखते हैं एक एक्सपेरिमेंट के थ्रू.